Well, first of all, cheers. It's the afternoon here in beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah, where I live and seem to stalk and walk the streets of rock and roll. But anyway, I had a handful of people want me to give an update about LiveGood, okay? So sounds good to me. I love doing video, okay? Right now, let's shrink up a little bit here. I'm going to show you how I've been able to attain a nice chunk of change over the last couple of years. I joined LiveGood right around the tail end of 2022, but I really didn't take it serious till about March, April of 2023. So I got a handful of years of working this business as an affiliate and then also just taking the products. I'm a big fan of the products. And as a matter of fact, I learned about LiveGood just by searching online. I had no intentions of being an affiliate. All right. But this business, it hooked me in and I love it. I'm a big fan of this online biz thing. So, first of all, I'm going to show you how I seem to get people to look into this business either to buy the products or simply maybe be an affiliate and earn some money. Okay. Now, this is what I did. If you look up at the very top, do you see right here where it says join Cory? Okay, joincory.com. I bought that domain. It was open. It was like, I think 12 bucks, something like that at GoDaddy. I think out the door it came to like $12.19. Now, I bought that domain name because it's easier for me to say joincory.com and then GoDaddy for free will bounce it to your Live Good capture page, which is built for you. Now, you can come up with your own funnel systems, your own web pages. But I recommend if you're new or if you're a veteran of this business, just do what I do. Keep things simple. Because at the end of the day, people just want to click something, watch a video, and they're going to decide are they in or out. Okay, there are hardly any phone calls, texting. Zoom meetings are great, but they're hosted by the company. And I'm going to show you all this. Okay, but I first want to show you how I just bought joincory.com and I forward it for free to this page you're looking at right now. Okay, and I'm going to show you where you get your own if you join this great company. Now, this video in the middle, go ahead and just press play. It's a YouTube video. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds, if I remember right. And it tells you everything. Hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky, talks about the products and the opportunity, everything you need to know. Okay, put in your first and last name and your email there. And guess what? For the next 30 days, one a day, you're going to get a nice email from LiveGood telling you more about the opportunity as far as products or as an affiliate. Okay, I don't do any of this. It has a built-in autoresponder, which I think 9 out of 10 people, they've heard of autoresponders, but they're a pain in the butt. So why not just use the system that comes basically for free when you join? Okay, so first name, email, reserve my position, go to your email, open it up, and read the email and keep them for the next 30 days. Because what I do is I email them to a list that I build. Okay, day after day, week after week, month after month. And I'll tell you how I do that in another video. But right now, I just want to show you how easy I've been able to sign up well over 400, almost 500 people. Okay, and I have no experience. All I do is just turn on my webcam and talk to you fine folks. Okay, so to repeat, I bought joincory.com. When you hit enter, you're going to come to this page. Okay, now this is what the back office looks like, and you can shop. The nice thing about LiveGood, you don't have to be an affiliate or a member to buy the products. If you just go to livegood.com, shop away. But if you want to get wholesale pricing, it's only $9.95 a month. You can't beat the prices. You're not going to beat the product ingredients, in my opinion. Like I said, I was buying the products well before I became an affiliate. And when I looked at what I was buying each month, and I recommend right here on the screen, see where it says Super Reds, Super Greens. I was buying Super Beets. I was watching those Dr. Gundry videos, and now I have the same white beard that Dr. Gundry had. But Super Beets, it's not organic. It's a tiny little jar and 2 or 3 times more than Super Reds. So I ran into Super Reds. And when I looked at the ingredients and how cheap it was, I think it's only 18 bucks, a couple bucks shipping. Container's giant and it's organic. It's a superb product. I think it's way better than Super Beets. That's just my opinion. But that's how I even have red on. All right, super red. I got a super red shirt on. Okay, but anyway, go to the shopping right there. See where it says shop? Okay, it could say products as well, but just hit that tab and you can see just tons and tons of Live Good products. Okay, and it's very self-explanatory. If you want to know, let's say about Super Reds, all right, read right there. Go ahead and click the Learn More button. And this doesn't mean you're buying it, but yeah, check out the ingredients. See these little thumbnails? Every product we have has extreme detail about the ingredients. Okay, you can see when you're a member for only $9.95 a month, you get it for only 18 bucks. Okay, you can subscribe, you can save some more, just add it to the cart. All right, enter your debit card, credit card, super easy. We can even get you set up with cryptocurrency as well, but you guys can figure all that out. But I want you to just look at the products. Now, this is where I got the capture page that I just showed you, where you put in your name and email address just to get more information about LiveGood. The less you talk about it, the better. I think you should just make a video like this and say, guys, go to my link. If you're on, let's say, Facebook, and you have a link like my example, joincory.com, I just promote the link, put a little bit of this and that, talk about maybe a product or the opportunity, and I let the videos do all the talking. Okay, so right now you can see leaderboard. I just want to show you my results. They seem to work, and I have very little experience with this online thing. I just know how to do videos. But you can see I'm number 38 in the world right now, and I'm excited with that. Where am I? Right there. You can see, oh, I'm number 37 now, it looks like. Live Good, Cory Draper. I've signed up 443 people. And what I do is I try to help people that sign up with me how to duplicate. Okay, and I'm a big fan of doing video like YouTube and then taking that YouTube video and just putting it on like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Those three alone, they dominate, don't they? And of course, you have X. I still call it Twitter, don't you guys? So anyway, and you can see there's just tons of web things you can click here, resources, the statistics. You can see how much you've earned. You can contact the company. And if you want to know the pay plan, just go to the bottom here. See the bottom left, it'll say pay plan. It's right on the left of your screen here. So that right there, the pay plan, this is where I divert everybody. For me to bore everyone and talk about the pay plan, it's snooze fest. So I recommend you go to livegood.com/pay plan and scroll to the bottom. You're going to see a pretty girl here. There she is. Watch that video. It explains everything, how you can earn money as an affiliate. And it's exciting. My goal is just to put it in turnkey mode. All right. Every week, every month, I get paychecks. And not one time has this company missed a pay period. And the nice thing is, even on holidays, like Christmas was a few days ago, they went ahead and paid us a day early. How cool is that? Okay. So I simply have people watch video about the pay plan. I love when people go and shop for products. But right now, see where it says my websites. Okay. Now, right here, there's a website just about Live Good, the broad 50,000 foot overview. And then from there, you can do the landing page. And this is where people go ahead and watch that video I just showed you, and they put their name and email address in. See livegoodtour.com/Cory J. Draper. That's just my username. So if your name, let's say, is Bob Thomas, then go ahead and livegoodtour.com/Bob Thomas. It could be Carol Thomas. Maybe you have a company like Dynamic Nutrition or something. It's really up to you. But my username is just Cory J. Draper. And when people click that, in my case, joincory.com, it forwards to this. But I see right here where it says, Welcome to Live Good, Cory Draper's website. And I have a couple accounts. I actually have one where my middle name is not there, so it's just Cory Draper's website. And then my middle name is just the letter J. Isn't that kind of crazy? So I also put this one as well. But I like to brand myself. So if you see my video on my YouTube, on my Facebook page, you guys, when you go to Welcome Live Good, it's like, well, whose website is it? It's Cory Draper's. And you can put whatever you want right here. But this capture page, it has signed up tens, if not hundreds of thousands of people. And as a matter of fact, this page alone has signed up 2.5 million people. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? Say hi to this guy in the blue shirt. Watch this little video right here. Put your name and email address and reserve my position. Open up that email. And like I said, collect them for the next 30 days. I think they're awesome. Okay? So this is all I've done. I just joined. And then I go in the back office. right where it says my webinars. Okay. And then fill out your name, your credit card or debit card information, your shipping address, because if you buy products, you want it to come to you, right? And that's all stuff that you guys can figure it out. And plus, where it says contact us, you can always contact customer service and they'll help you out as well. But this is a very simple process, guys. You're not going to freak out. This is not heavy lifting. Just get used to not making calls, texting, emailing. You can do whatever you'd like, old school or 2026 technology. But I find that less is more with this business. And not just with this opportunity, just with about any online business. I think most people, they just don't really like to talk on the phone anymore. Okay. So, anyway, I'm very glad that you watch my YouTube channel. Maybe you can subscribe to it and we'll figure things out. If you join, I'm going to send you a nice email and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I use real cheap, by the way. Okay, this is not heavy lifting, this is not high ticket, but I want to show you how I email every day, how I write ads every day, just, for example, on Facebook. And we'll keep things simple, okay? So, anyway, sounds like a deal. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need something, get a hold of me. You guys can figure it out. My email address is Cory@CoryDraper.com, okay? All right, that's it, guys. Okay, have a good day, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon, and I hope you join soon as well. Thanks a lot. Bye.